do it.
You're doing it.
Yay!
You do it so fast. You have a lot of practice. Wow. Denise is really good at that.
I can't do this.
You can do it. You're doing it.
This is funny.
Can I throw it?
No, you can't throw it.
You gotta do the. I can't. It's heavy. Oh.
Well, you may as well knock the whole thing down. I want to remove Gear 64 again first.
It's almost like instead of passing the bomb,
It's
we're passing
supposed to be-
the shake weight.
That's what I was just thinking. Instead of passing the bong, it's pass the shake weight and pass the camera around.
Wait, I can't see you. Now I can see.
Why is it
Wow.
Go, go, go. Now do it behind the back. Oh, skill.
We should put together a whole dance like a different
Shake weight dance.
This thing is too heavy.
It's because it's the guy's shake weight. I had to get Dakota the big black one.
shit.
How do you do it from side to side?
We need
Don't
to watch the instructional video.
There's
You want to watch
There is an instructional video. Let's watch the instructional
Pass it
video.
to John.
Ready? Ah, I see that.
No, you don't.
He's filming all of us. You have to do it behind your back.
Yeah, do the behind the back one.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Oh, god damn it.
God had nothing to do with this. Yet.
Well,
Yay, you got it.
Matt, I think he might have a personal vendetta against me, so maybe he did.
Whoa!
Oh,
I'm
she's
trying
got
to-
skill.
I think I did, but
This is funny.
This is funny.
Did you? Let me hit that shake weight again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Again.
Dakota's pretty good at it.
I know.
Dakota, have you had practice?
Dakota's a natural.
for the
You're
record,
such a
the
pro.
shake weight's been proven to be debunked, by the way.
Huh?
It is.
It doesn't work. It feels like it works.
Yeah, it does. It's,
It feels like it does. It doesn't. That's one of the things they've kind of debunked as one of the gadgets. That and the slap chop, which you wouldn't think, but
no, the slap chalk works.
it works. but
Until it breaks.
It's kind of pathetic.
And well,
It's not as efficient as they would have you
We should
believe.
play.
I don't care. It works
You
for
have Mario
chopping
Party?
onions, and that's all I need it for.
Yes. Do you guys want to play Mario Party?
Mario Party.
Okay.
Is there enough controllers? I think
Mario Party-
only
Oh,
4 people
four.
can play usually.
How old school is 4?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
2 people.